Welcome back, guys. Another fantastic week. 308 pips banked so far. In fact, we have 5 trades still running live, and that's taken us over the 1,000 pip mark for the month. Actually, 1,015 is what we're currently sitting on. We still have a few trades running live. Of course, our team will be managing them throughout the duration of next week. So today, we're just going to recap and cover what we briefly spoke about last week, discuss a few key topics, and of course, any questions, please do not hesitate to get in contact. Euro pound. So Atif mentioned last week when we saw price interact our long-term trend line and reject our 0.9050 region that sellers were entering the market. This move on the back of pound strength did anticipate the moves that we have seen this week. So we saw our first indication of sellers enter the market. For our end of day traders, the ideal entry point, and what some of our group did take, would have been a sell stop order at the low of the first bearish candle. For our 4-hour traders, we took a different approach. The first pattern we identified was this head and shoulders pattern. We saw price move to the upside, first pullback, back interact with 0.950. And as you can see, sellers started entering the market. The first high probability setup was in fact this first pullback, which interacted with our moving averages after the 2050 crossover. Our second entry, and what we have our eyes on for next week, is the second pullback now interacting with this neckline. As soon as we see bearish confirmation and sellers enter the market, we'll be looking at taking this trade short. So once we saw the euro pound move take off, which was the key chart to break, another example here is pound kiwi, where price also rejected a strong level, and we've now seen this movement to the upside. For those of you that followed our video last week, where we looked into how to trade the early stages of trend and look for a higher low formation and our trend-based pattern, again, will be exactly what we're waiting for here. So as soon as we get some pullbacks and some opportunities to buy, we'll be looking to scale in across not just pound kiwi, but also multiple pound pairs.
Okay guys, I'm going to go through a few opportunities. I'm going to focus in August. Seasonally weak for Aussie Kiwi, and we're looking at the Aussie dollar chart. The move has already started. We can see this weekly channel over here where price attempted to break out, failed, and now we have a fake out. What I'll be looking for next week is intraday sell setups on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Or what you can do is wait for a clean break on the daily, look for a lower high and then a move down. What we could possibly see is a move back up towards this trend line before another move down. Crosses to watch out for is Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, and possibly Aussie Swiss as well. Another pair seasonal week in August is New Zealand dollar. Again, we've seen the move already started to happen. We were in this uptrend, and now we're seeing a strong pullback. The sellers start to muscle in. Again, look for those intraday sell setups on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. What you could do is just wait until it reaches the support level, where we would either see a bounce, a lower high and then a move down, or a break, retest, and then another move down. Again, crosses wise, my focus will be New Zealand Yen, New Zealand CAD, and again, New Zealand Swiss. Now the final chart I'm going to focus on is dollar yen. August, seasonally sort of weak for indices, very choppy sort of movement, and in terms of correlation, if seasonally indices are weak, you tend to see yen buying. What we currently see in dollar yen is it's in a no trend. No sort of clear pattern, is ranging, and this is fitting well on the weekly chart, as it is in a weekly phase 2. So if we move to the weekly chart, you can see this impulse move here. This is that range price action on the daily. What possible expectation is a possible move up to possibly the 109.5 level before another move down. And should that happen, again, focus on some of the crosses as well. Already mentioned New Zealand Yen, Kiwi Yen, possibly CAD Yen as well. Just make sure you choose the best setup on the smaller time frame, and don't jump in too early.
So that was a few opportunities we'll be looking to trade and will be trading next week. If you would like our full watch list or would like to learn a little bit more about how we break the markets down, our future events, or if you simply just want to generate a secondary income, get in contact with one of the team and we look forward to welcoming you on board.